Um, I love the lifestyle in Samoa. I loved it. I will always cherish in my heart. In Samoa, it's very, I don't know. I always tell my friends, like, if you want to visit Samoa, like, go with me. Like, I can show you Samoa because the lifestyle there is very different than the lifestyle here in the United States. People are always happy. There's reason why we're always happy because just the way our parents taught us, just the way we lived in the island, because we're so isolated in the island, and then we can do whatever we want in the island. I grew up with a lot of people in my village. Till now, I still have those people on Facebook, on social media. I still talk to those people because we grew up together. In my village, there's probably 500 people in my village. So that's a lot of people. So the culture in Samoa, it's very, very unique to me. They always had family is the main key of the culture of Samoa. Like you have to honor your parents, which is one of the commandments, and you have to love your neighbor. Like that is the main key of the culture of Samoa. Food, oh my goodness. I know a lot of Samoans are massive. They're huge. Do you know why? It's because we eat high calories food. We eat a lot. So a lot of times here in the United States, you have your best meal. I think like in special occasions, sometimes like on Sundays. And Samoa, every single day we can eat chicken every night. We can eat. It has to be something big. Like I have to eat rice. I have to eat rice because I love rice. And Sunday, that's like one of my favorite because in Samoa, Sunday is the day where you have to cook your best dish. So after you cook your best dish, you have to share your dish with neighbors. So the same thing, they'll do the same thing to us. They'll give us their best meal. So now you're sitting around the table with your family with all this different kind of food, and you start eating. Then you start asking your family, "Who made this food?" "Oh, the our neighbor on the left." If you want to know the recipe, you just go over there, be like, "Hey, I really like your food. Can I have your recipe?" The same thing they'll do to us. They're like, "Oh, we love your food. Can we have your recipe?" They do that every single Sunday. We share food with our neighbors, probably like seven of them, two on our side, two on the back, and then three in the front. So that's how the lifestyle is Samoa. We share a lot of food with people around us. And another thing I love about Samoa is if you don't have a lot of money, if you don't have a lot of things, it's okay. You can just be happy because you have not only you have your family there, but you have your friends there. That's another thing I learned about the lifestyle of Samoa. If you don't have any food for the day, you'll be surprised. The whole village will be there to give you your family food because it's just we love people. We want everyone to be happy, and that's like the motto. That's like another thing that a lot of people are known with Samoans that we are happy people. Why? It's just the way we live. It's just the way we we treat other people. And I love Samoan food. We eat a lot of taros. We eat a lot of bananas. We eat a lot of breadfruit. We eat a lot of fish. We eat a lot of yams. I hate yams, but we eat yams. We eat a lot of seafood. My parents, they love seafood. My grandma loves seafood. I not really a huge fan of seafood, but I would eat if we don't have food. So we eat a lot of taros and other things because we're not that rich. Oh, and coconut. I love fresh coconut, but the coconuts in the can, I don't like those coconuts. Um, what else? I love the culture of Samoa. I really, really love Samoa. I love my island, and I'm proud to say that I'm Samoan. It's just because the culture, the people, the food, of course, the food. A lot of my friends, I always tell them, like, hey, if you're going to Samoa, make sure you buy like extra clothes, like the size. I'm talking about the size, the extra size, because they will feed you like there's no tomorrow. And they show their love through food. They want people to be happy, and they show it through food.